Good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. Uncle Mike 395 here at South Oklahoma City Kiwanis car show. Very small turnout, guys, but hey, I'm here. I'm gonna get what I can get. And they at the VFW building right here. This is Pennsylvania Avenue right here, Pennsylvania, and what's this cross street? Pennsylvania and 46th Street, Southwest 46th Street. All right. So let's get started. Ooh, I love that beautiful purple. Look at that RT 345. That's nice. This is Shelby GT 500, old school, man. This is nice. Good morning, sir.
How you doing?
Fine.
Some of them, they put it on
5.7 V8, I like it.
that follow them and watch the videos. I didn't even know what I was talking about.
This video will probably be like 10 minutes long. It's only like 3, 4, 8 cars there. But I'm going to another car show too, about a couple of miles from here, Harley Davidson place. They having motorcycles and cars over there, so that's like maybe a couple miles from here.
There he is.
What's going on, Barracuda? How you doing, brother? All right.
Where's your brother?
I didn't see him. I just came from Santa Fe. He wasn't over there.
Is that right?
And they got another car show at the Harley Davidson place.
Yeah.
I'm going to go there when I leave here.
Okay. So
I
he'll
am.
probably come in.
Yeah.
Well, you and him look around.
Oh, yeah. All right. This is the last car here, guys. Last year I came here, there was a lot more cars here last year when I came here, guys. Yeah. There was a lot more cars here last year. And then there was a lot more cars the year before that. This is the first time I've seen. This is only like 8 or 9 cars here. This is sad, man. But anyway, it's early. Maybe they'll come a little later. Huh?
There was a Chevelle here about 10 minutes ago. He came in and he did left.
Yeah. So let me get back and get them. Show you what's out here. Well, I'm glad they came. It ain't many, but hey, it is what it is, guys. Ain't nothing we can do about it. And I'm on 46th Street in Pennsylvania. That's where this place is. And this is the VFW, Veteran of Foreign Wars right here. they got a band down there. I'm glad I'm gonna be out here for that band start. If I want to put no music with this video. That's one thing I don't like is putting music with my videos. But sometimes I don't have a choice. You guys know that, you know. If you go to a place where they already got a DJ, it's guaranteed 100% you're gonna have to put music. You're gonna have to take out his music and put YouTube approved music on there, and that's what. And I hate doing that, but hey, it is. That's what I signed up for 3 years ago when I signed up to be a YouTuber. So it is what it is. Yeah, every year I come out here, it's less and less. It's my 3rd year coming out here, it's less. First year I come out here, man, it was a madhouse. Second year is a lot less than now. You can see what it is out here now, 3 years later from when I first came out here the first time. It's just like, wow. But they got a lot of car shows all over Oklahoma today. Hey, what's going on, brother?
Not much, man.
How you doing?
Doing good, doing
Yeah,
good.
let me wrap this up real quick. All right, guys, it's Uncle Mike 319. I'll see you guys on the other side. Later.